When looking for ways to pass time or make money, people usually turn to the hobby they enjoy. And one of these hobbies are woodworking from home. It's very exciting to do and anyone can get started. When doing woodworking at home, there are lots of projects one can think of. When starting out, you have to be very careful when choosing which project to start out with because there are projects that can be too difficult for a newbie. But don't worry about that because we are going to give you guidelines on the right way to start woodworking as a beginner. Just like any other hobby, woodworking requires some working equipment. So before you choose your project, you have to know if you have the available resources to work on that project. Try not to spend a lot of money in buying equipment when starting out. Buy more equipment as you gain more experience and become a professional carpenter. If you enjoy your hobby, then there will be no difference between the artistic hand and the normal hands. To keep yourself updated, you have to disseminate with different brands, tools and woods. Woodworking from home will give you time to explore different projects and learn so many things. It's important to spend less money when starting out so you can afford to make mistakes and at the same time learn about different projects. It's very important that you know about the different types of wood available for making projects. Expert carpenters use different types of wood quality for decorating pieces. Learning what type of wood to use will help you prepare the wood you will need for specific projects you may want to pursue. Once you know the basics of wood selection and the usage of different tools, you can now implement them in cutting wood pieces and putting wood together. Knowing what to do will help you in building good projects to satisfy your needs. Practice makes perfect, so make sure you practice your work every day if possible. Try out lots of designs using various tools so you can get the hang of using the tools. When starting out, you can make a number of mistakes. But with time, you will learn how to properly use them and produce quality projects. There's a lot more involved in becoming a woodworker. If you want more guidelines on starting out in woodworking and producing beautiful woodworking projects, then get yourself a copy of Wood Profits from the link below this video.